Hello friends, welcome back to lmsd.com. In today's screencast, we will see how you can set the email visibility of all your users to hidden, which means that if the user is looking to see the email information of any other users in the same course, then he will not be able to see that. By default, this is editable in the user profile, and the user can check whether he would like to show his email information to other users or he would like to hide it from the other users. But by default, as a site admin, how you can keep it to hidden, we will see in this screencast. So you need to log in as the site admin in your Moodle site and then go to the site admin page and then go to the users tab and go to the user default preferences under the accounts section here. Now here the first field is the one which we are looking for right now, which is the email visibility. And as you can see that by default it is set to visible to the course participants, which means that student 1 can see the email of the student 2 and others also. Now there are other options like visible to everyone. It will be slightly harmful for your students if you are concerned about their privacy, because in this way all the users on your Moodle site will be able to see the email address of other users. For this demonstration, we will be keeping it to the hidden. Now what it will do is the user email address will not be visible to other users, but only the teachers or the other persons with appropriate capabilities or appropriate permissions will be able to see the email address of these users. Now just click on the Save Changes button. Now whenever any user go to their profile, click on the Edit Profile button here. So you can see that by default this email visibility field is set to hidden for all the users. Now just click on Update Profile and then you are done. So all the users will be having this, that email address is hidden from everyone except users with appropriate permissions on their profile page. So this is how you can safeguard your students' email address from other users. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon of your YouTube channel. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the near future. Thank you.